I loved Babson for my undergrad, so I decided to come back. I wanted to go deeper and I wanted to learn more. If I would have outgrown the place, I would have said goodbye and tried to find a job, but I feel like I still haven't outgrown Babson.
So let me ask, what did you find to be the scariest part of the journey?
Can I share my biggest fear?
You can.
Okay. Going into the program, I'd taken one finance class. In undergrad, it was the required one. And so the first 2 weeks, I was scared to talk in class and to be able to ask questions that to other people may have been obvious. But I did it anyways because I genuinely wanted to understand what was going on because I knew it would help me long term.
The Masters of Science in Finance program here at Babson is tailor-made to provide students to have the whole gamut of exposure to course material and problem-solving skills and technology and the latest software and AI to make sure that it is cutting edge. But what always comes across is Babson is a nurturing environment. And this is with our students, our staff, our faculty, everyone on campus when you step foot here. It's nurturing.
So my next adventure will be working for a consumer packaged goods company, similar to one that I did my corporate finance project on. And that project really helped me be able to get this job because I had so much knowledge on this industry prior to the whole application and interview process with this job. I initially applied for a job that I was not qualified for at all, but something in me just told me to go for it. The recruiter sent me an email back saying, you don't meet all of the qualifications listed, but we like your resume, so we've decided to make a new job and you fit the qualifications for this job.
I believe that's something that we do exceptionally well here at Babson, is to equip them with the inspiration, the confidence, and the tools that they already have, but we build upon them to be able to tackle any challenge that they get in the finance field.
The advice that I would give is to just do it. I think that it's one of the best decisions that I ever made.